This is iAgent website walking you through how to add Google Analytics to the website. Um, so on the back end of your website, again, I like picking on Alaska Real Estate King for some reason. Once you log into the back end, you're going to have this screen here. We're gonna have to do a couple of things just to make sure that you have everything ready to go. Um, so move that out of the way. So one thing that you're going to do is I'm going to switch tabs here and go to Google Analytics. Okay, and I Google Analytics just because I can never remember analytics.google.com. Yeah, I'm brain damaged. Um, so once you're in here, and if you've never set this up before, like this account hasn't, you would click Set Up for Free. Fill out the information that you want. So put your website name there, that's easy. You could put your name there, it doesn't really matter. And then scroll down and click next. The property name, I tend to put the same thing. All of this information, change it to where it fits you. Answer the questions. So you could type in real, small. So here you would want to do optimize my measure engagement. You know, if you're doing pay-per-click, you would do advertising cost, increase conversions, measure, um, analyze online sales. Other is fine. So you kind of get that idea. Optimize my site, app experience. Okay, then hit create. Accept all of Google's stuff. Okay, email communications. You can uncheck everything. All right, and then it will come back to this. What you're not doing an ISO app or an Android app. We're just doing the web. So we click there and hit setup, and then type in your website. Okay, stream name. Okay, enhanced measurement. You can turn this off to go to just the basic measurement of Google Analytics, the universal measurement, which is usually needed by page views, and then hit create stream. Okay, and then here's your measurement ID, and then all of this information. So we're just going to close this here, and then what we're really after is we're after the tag manager. And then we're actually after just this code here. So we copy that code and then we go back to the website. Now on your website, you will have under settings, Google Analytics. So under plugin settings, then you click the Google site tag, and then you can just paste the site tag in here. The custom code and all of that. If you have the universal analytics, then you would just paste the universal analytics ID here. I know this is a little confusing based on the fact that Google is now changing things around. It gets a little difficult to go from site tag to not site tag and all of that. So just do the site tag, copy the entire thing here. I gave you the wrong instruction. And then tracking code location, put it in the head, and then go ahead and paste it here. And then this should automatically start tracking your analytics. And then the next thing to do would be to go back to Google Analytics and then verify that it's working. And it does take just a little bit. So until that time, you can go there. If you're using an SEO company, they could set this up for you. They can actually do more items such as looking at page views and all of that, and then all of that would go into the tag. So there's just multiple ways to do Google Analytics at the moment. I will continually update these videos because Google Analytics is getting more and more confusing. It's like they don't really want you to know what's going on. And so other than that, that's pretty simple of where you put the information on your analytics. So again, if you have had analytics in the past, and I'm going to pick on this side as well. He already had analytics set up off of his old website, so therefore he has the universal analytics code. So then he could just create the universal analytics code. By clicking on this, it'll take you to the developers thing, which then doesn't actually really help you about where to get the code from, because Google is switching from universal analytics to tag to the global site tag. And again, the reason being is that um, it gives you more information on what's happening throughout your entire website. So very simple and easy, and that is how it's done. Thank you for watching and have a good day.